Hey guys, TELE SMM Services Bot is back with a brand new feature, and this one gives you full control over auto views. Feature intro. Now you can manage your auto views directly from web app, mini app, or the website, telesmm.in. It's super easy and flexible. You also get daily post limit system, expiry date control, pay as you go, no commitments, optional notifications, how to use, step by step. Now let's see how to use it. First, open Telegram, go to TELE SMM Services Bot, tap on app, click on launch. Now the app will open. Here you'll see sections like new order, orders, add funds, more. Tap on more, then select auto views. Setup cart. Now you just need to fill in your details. Post link, quantity of views, speed, reaction count, daily post limit, expiry date. As you adjust these, the price updates automatically. You can also turn on notifications so you don't miss any updates. Final step. Once everything is set, just tap on place order. That's it. Your order summary will appear below. Super easy, right? Now you have complete control over your auto views, all in one place. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates.